Well, hi everybody. I have this fabulous villa to show you today. It's a 3-bed, 3-bathroom Rosa, but it has that extra toilet, extra toilet. It's got 4 toilets. So I'll just show you around. I'm really excited about this. It's really lovely. We are on Sector B, right by the amenities, which is great. So you don't have to walk far from, staggering distance from the pub, as they say. All right, so let me take you in. We have a look around. Come with me. So now guys, let me explain. This used to be the off-road parking, but what they've done is they've covered that and made a nice entrance there. The off-road parking is at the back of the property. This is a corner plot, as you can see. Now that gives it more space around the pool. So I will show you around. So let's go in and have a look around. You can see it's all raised for the walls for privacy. Very decorative, and I just like the way the frontage is done here. It's really nice. Nice stonework. So let's go inside. So look at this. So it's absolutely beautiful, and of course you've got all your lounges along there, and you're looking over that fabulous pool. You have a shower there. As I said, the walls are raised for privacy. And they've kind of put this, is a bamboo where you could normally see through, but you can't here. So it's very, very private. Really nice. Got a lovely area for sitting there. Plenty of lounges all the way round. Shower. Just here, you've got plenty, since they've changed that and it's not a driveway anymore. That is so much more space there. You've got plenty of room for lounging, and you've got an outside dining table. You've also got here and there for sitting. That is a side gate which brings you around to the back of the property, but we'll have a look at that in a few moments. I'm going to take you inside, and I have so much more to show you in this property, but I'm going to leave it to last, I think. This is one of them I think I'm going to be buying a lottery ticket for. So, easy access to the property, only a few steps. And just in here, take my sunglasses off for a second, you have an overhead light. You can see there's insect screens on the wreckers there. There are wreckers and blackout blinds on the window. There is access to the 3rd bedroom up there. I might go up there first. No, I'll do it the other way around. Sorry guys. And in here, if I step back, you can see that this has been divided. Now they're bifolding doors, so you've got 2 different places. So this is great. You still got your conservatory here. And over there, if you wanted, because there's bifolding doors, you could put some blinds in there. You could put a spare bed in there. If you've got friends or family coming over as an extra bedroom. You don't really need it in here because we have got 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms in this property. So just showing you in here, really lovely. A little pussycat, he's trying to take some shade. You've got a fan up there and light, really very nice. So I'm going to take you inside and we'll have a look around. Now this just feels very luxury to me. It's really very well done. You have dual aspect windows, you've got aircon and you've got central heating. You've got your log burner fire over there. Just gonna come around. So as you can see, really beautiful property. And you've got a radiator here as well. Very nice. You've got a super ceiling fan and light up there as well. Just going to pan around and show you. That's the dining area and that's the kitchen, okay? Now, in this dining area, you've got another super fan up there and you've got your radiator there. And I do say in some Roses. Now the kitchen is very ample as it is, as you can see, because there's plenty of top and base units. You've got your sink, you've got your fridge, you've got your gas hob, and you've got your electric oven. So you've actually got everything you need in this kitchen and the archway to pass over the plates to your friends or family. But in some cases, some people might think that kitchen's too small. You can actually take this archway out, all right? Take the whole archway out, bring the kitchen around, put patio doors here opening out onto the conservatory, and block this doorway in, making this room a little bit bigger. Or it feels bigger, right? And just here you would put a little island. And I have seen the kitchens done that way, and it looks quite nice. It's just an idea that I've seen done on these roses. And it is one of my favourite builds, I have to say. So, let's go up here. Now in here is your guest bedroom. So this is lovely, it's done really nicely. Done. You have your recess and blackout blinds and insect screens on the windows. You got your modern ceiling light and fan. And if I just hop here like this, you can see that you got your television there. It's all been decorated, really lovely. Now I'm going to take the room at a different angle. So I've come across the other side of the room, and as you can see, there's overhead storage and double wardrobes there. You've also got your radiator just there. So different angle to the room, and you've got plenty of switches and sockets in the room as well. So let me take you into the master bedroom and we'll have a look in there. Now, in the master bedroom, again, you have overhead storage and a double wardrobe. You got this nice, large bedroom. Shutting the door behind me, you have aircon, this really nice modern ceiling light and fan. Just going to try and take it at a different angle for you guys, just so you get a feel for the room. I come down here. Now, as you can see, it's really beautiful. And just up there is your ensuite. You have a radiator in here as well as the aircon. Okay. Now, this is my favourite bathroom, I got to say. Even though the house is very modern and I absolutely love it, but for me, I love these Spanish tiles in my bathroom, and I got the exact same tiles and I absolutely love them. Now, you have got a toilet here, a bidet, and a sink and pedestal. And you got your unit there. You have got a bath with a shower attachment, and of course you've got your frosted glass window. Well, it's semi-frosted glass shower screen, I should say. Sorry guys. And just here you've got a radiator and a heated towel rail, and you've got this single wardrobe, and this is great with overhead storage, and that's to put all your bathroom bits and bobs and your spare towels or whatever. Okay. Now let's go in and around. I'm going to show you now, we have got another downstairs bathroom here. So you've got a shower cubicle with frosted kind of glass on there. You've got your washing machine, and washing machines are usually in this bathroom when they were all built. You've got your WC and your sink and pedestal. And then you have a unit up there. Now if I just come over here and turn around, you have got your shaving socket just up there, and just above the door you have an overhead heater. So you put that on when you're out of the shower, you know, if it's a bit chilly in the morning. You don't need to put the central heating on, all right? So let's go back around. We've got this lovely living space, which is dual aspect windows, like I've said. I'm just going to pan around for you again so you get a feel for this room. Really nice. And I'm going to take you up here now. So just up here, this is the way up to the 3rd bedroom. We'll have a look up there. So as you guys know, I'll see you at the top of the stairs. You have got this lovely area up here where you can lounge and where you can sit. So if you're a guest, you've got your own space here. Beautiful views across the countryside as well. And this is the property itself. Not the property, the top box. So let me take you in. You got wreckers on here. Looks like it's double glazed. Oh wow, look at this. Oh my goodness gracious me, this looks awesome. So you have got aircon, which is dual aircon, and you've got a ceiling light and fan. You have this fabulous flooring here. Look at this. Wow. And just here, you're going to see me in the mirror, guys, I'm afraid. You have an area that you can make your coffee in the morning, wash up, have a bit of brekkie without even bothering the people who you're staying with. If you were a guest, I was tripping over my words there, but if you were a guest, this is an ideal place to stay. You have double glazed windows here as well. And just here you have this fabulous ensuite. So you've got your sink and vanity unit, your WC, frosted glass window, some storage, a little unit there, medicine cabinet, and you have this fabulous shower in here. You know, really nice. It's like a double shower. Love the towels, really lovely. This property is something else, isn't it? So what do you think, guys, so far? Absolutely lovely. And there's more to show you. There's more. I can't wait to show you. Oh, this is lovely. This is something else. So let's go down. I shouldn't get too overexcited, should I? I can't afford it, but never mind. Let's go downstairs and I'll show you the rest of this beautiful property. You've also got some sockets there, so if you wanted to put a hot tub in, you could just plug it in there, wouldn't you? I think you got a little room around here. Do your laundry or whatever. It's quite private there. So let's go downstairs, guys. Right, I'm back down at the bottom of the stairs now. We're going back through here. And I just turn around slightly and we're going out the other door then. And I got something to show you. And there's a little story to this. So look at this, guys. Woohoo! We got a little bar in here. Look at this. Now there is a story to this. The people who have done this bar out for themselves, right? They had a bar in Margate. And that is the actual signage that was on the pub itself. Hence the bull. Look at that bull. He's very rude, isn't he? You can put some wine out of that in the barrel. And just overhead, if I pan around, I don't want to pan around too fast. You can see that was on their bar. Nicholas Adam Burke is licensed to sell ales, wines and spirits and consumption. Anyway, that was on their bar. You've still got nice cool breeze from the fan above. Lovely seating area here. Really lovely. And the bar itself. Now, if I just show you this first. This is just some storage just under here on the house. And you have a little downstairs loo here. Okay, so this is nice little toilet down here and storage. You've also got your gas boiler in here as well. All right. So This bell is the original bell when they used to ring time, and that's the key to the actual bar. So this is a lovely bar here. You've got your sink here and your cupboard, got a fridge, you've got everything you need here, and you've got a beautiful breeze coming through, I got to say. So I don't know if anyone in Margate will recognise this pair. Oh, they got a pink gin here, very nice. So let me take you outside. So you got some more storage there, and I believe the central heating thing was in there. Yes, and the tank. And around here is off-road parking. Okay, here's the bull again. So it's good size, there's enough room for a camper, okay? Now, or 3 cars at least. It's a little bit windy. So this is the other corner. So if you took this pole out, if that wasn't wide enough for your camper there, and you took that pole out, that gate there, you could bring your camper in and put it at this angle, you know. So you've still got plenty of room. Now there is a terrace there. I didn't go out onto it, but there is a terrace there on the front. So this is a lovely terrace from the conservatory. So that's the terrace from the conservatory, and this is the gate that leads back out onto the pool area. So look at that, really beautiful and very private, really nice. And you're literally across, if you can see over there, that's the chemist over there, and the consultants, the hospital and all the doctors, the private, and if you're on the NHS over here, Spanish system I mean. Now guys, I thought I'd chill out in the bar area. What a fabulous house. It's really beautiful. It's a 3 bedroomed, 3 bathroomed Rosa. Now, Roses are usually 2 bedroom, but funny enough, this is the second one I've seen today. But this one has the extra toilet in the bar area. So you've got a lovely area here to lounge around the pool. They've changed the driveway, so you've got more space in the front of the property. But you've got plenty of driveway at the back. Enough for 3 or 4 cars, a big camper. You know, you could put a car and a boat in there, it's that big. So if you're interested in this property, do contact info@tolettoseltobuy.com. Now I will leave the reference number in the title of my video, okay? So, and the contact details for the agent and their team are all down in the description box below. But sometimes I put on the screen as well. That WhatsApp number, the phone number I put on is a WhatsApp number, and so you can, you know, get in touch very quickly the same day you see the video if you want to book a viewing or whatever. So until the next time, take care, but please do share and like this video, because somebody out there will love this, and when you like it, pushes the algorithm to push my videos out more, because you need, some of these properties really do need to get seen. They're absolutely stunning. And it's not just this one. I do lots of beautiful properties on Campsall. So, and it's a great community here as well. So until the next time, take care. Sorry for digressing and waffling on. See you again. Bye bye. I get so excited about all these properties.